Hey guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are learning how to install ROM in Android device. Also we need to install ROM in case your software blower stuck at start showing the company logo only. These are the instructions to flash or install Samsung stock ROM firmware on Samsung devices using Odin downloader tool. Caution, flashing or installing firmware ROM using the Odin download tool will wipe the data from the device. Therefore, we recommend you to take a backup of your data before using the tool. First step, download Samsung USB driver on the computer. If in case you have already installed the Samsung drivers on the computer, then skip this step. 2. Download Samsung firmware compatible with your device. If you have already downloaded the firmware, then avoid downloading it again and extract it on the computer. After extracting, you will be able to similar files. 5. In the download mode, you will be able to see a warning yellow triangle sign. In that situation you have to press the volume up button to continue. 6. Download and extract Odin tool on your computer. After extracting now, open Odin 3 and connect your Samsung device to the computer. 8. Once you have connected the device to the computer, Odin will automatically recognize the device and show added message in the lower left log area. 8. Once your device is detected by the Odin tool, click on the PDA button and select the tar.md5 file that you have extracted in step number 2. Now, click on the Start button in Odin to begin the flashing process. Once you see the green pass message, then remove the USB cable from the device. During this process, your device will restart automatically. Risk on this process. Data loss process. Flashing stock ROM is always a data loss procedure. Therefore, we recommend you to take a backup of your personal data before flashing the stock ROM. Flashing stock ROM or downgrading stock ROM does not void your phone warranty. Samsung stock firmware. If you are looking for the original firmware for your device, then head over to download stock firmware page. Samsung USB driver. If you are looking for the original USB driver for your device, then head over to download Samsung USB driver page. Credits. Samsung Mobility LLC creates Odin downloader tool. So full credit goes to them for sharing the tool for free. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Have a good day.